Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to make a Maitake mushroom powder or hand of the wood if you like. It's a very healthy mushroom. It's very handy to have in the kitchen as a seasoning for your cooking if you don't have fresh mushroom and you are craving the nice mushroomy flavor, and they've got really nice health benefits. You can surely find many of them online, so check it out. And you can check the video above when I was making shiitake mushroom powder. I really liked it, so I am trying to see if I like Maitake mushroom powder better or hand of the wood. And then I would also love to do some with oyster mushrooms, and I will let you know my favorite. It's really easy to do. Get your fresh mushrooms, obviously clean them and let them dry. You can put it in dehydrator, or if you've got really nice temperature, you can just slice it and let it air dry. And then I just put it into blender, and when I've got the lovely powder, I just put it in glass jar, and that's it. Okay, that's it. Our Maitake powder is ready. The smell is phenomenal. I wish you were here and you could smell it. Ready, steady, Maitake mushroom powder ready. That's it. This is what I've got from the amount I showed you, and it will keep me going for some time, and I love cooking with this. It's really such an amazing ingredient, and when you open it, the smell, it's just amazing. So much freshness. I love it. I hope you are going to try it as well and put it in your cooking and let me know how did it go. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing from my hand to your hand. Bye until next time.